Hey y'all, and welcome to CC's Texas Garden. My name is Cynthia, and today, guys, I am going to harvest some more of my sweet potatoes. I still have a container still left in the garden, but I've been having a lot of ants getting into this container. And so, as you can see, I'm getting ready to put on my gloves because these are fire ants that we are having. So, I'm going to go ahead and get these sweet potatoes out. I think I planted them either the end of May or the beginning of June. So usually it takes 3 to 4 months before sweet potatoes are ready. So I am a little early, but I'm going to go ahead and see what I can get. So what I'm doing is just removing all of the top of the plant so I can flip the bucket over. Okay, guys, let's see what we have in this bucket. I am enjoying my garden kneeler. It definitely helps my back and my knees. So we're going to just go ahead and slowly look for potatoes. I think this is the most fun part of hunting potatoes, to see if you have some or if you don't. But as you can see, there is some potatoes. Now, like I said, if I waited a little longer, then I probably would have had even bigger potatoes and a lot more. Now, this was in a 5-gallon bucket. So you can grow food in a 5-gallon bucket. So I'm just taking all the sweet potatoes that are big enough to cook. I'm taking them and putting them aside. Make sure that you thoroughly search through your soil because sometimes they're hiding. Alright, guys, here is my potatoes that I was able to grow in my 5-gallon container. It's definitely enough to make a pie or just cook some nice sweet potatoes with a meal. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.